This is how to silence unknown callers on your iPhone. Hop into the settings, scroll down all the way down till you see apps. Tap on that to open it. Tap on the P on the side or scroll down to the P section and tap on phone. This is where a lot of the customization options for specifically phone functionality live. Scroll down until you come to a section called Screen Unknown Callers. Here we have three options, and here's what they mean. First is never. Calls from unsaved numbers will ring and missed calls will be displayed on the recents list, just like a regular phone call. The second option is ask reason for calling. Calls from unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before iPhone rings. Calling and data rates may apply. This means when someone calls you, there's functionality built into the iPhone or Apple Cloud or somewhere that asks why they're calling. And if their reason is satisfactory, I guess they get through. And this will filter out a lot of call center calls and spam calls, because what spammer is going to say, I'm calling about spam? I'm going to try to scam them out of some money? I mean, who's going to say that, right? So I think this option would reduce a lot of calls that you don't want. The third option we have is silence. Calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. Calling and data rates may apply. This means that they're just automatically sent to voicemail. You don't have to worry about those calls at all. Then you can read or listen to the voicemails. We also have a new option for call filtering. This also applies to unknown callers. Missed calls and voicemail from unknown callers will be moved to the unknown callers list if you toggle this on. So then you have two separate lists of phone calls. One is for people you know, and one is for unknown numbers, which would be a little easier to handle, a little easier to organize if you get a lot of phone calls from people you know and from people you don't know. If this video helps you, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which will show you how to add any song as a ringtone for your iPhone. It's super cool, it's quick, and this video shows you how to do it. I'll see you there.